I hope you all watched my tech video on automating device configuration. Having added the device, it is now time to identify faults in device and notify it on such faults. In this video, I will explain how to configure an email-based notification in OpManager. Prerequisites for configuring the email server settings are email server name or IP address, SMTP port, from email address, to email address, authentication username and password. To configure the mail server settings, click on Settings, Basic Settings, provide the mail server name or IP address, SMTP port for sending emails, the email address from which you have to receive such alarm notification, the email address to which OpManager sends the alarm notification, username and password in case your email server needs an authentication to send emails. You may select SSL or TLS in case your email server is configured to send emails in encrypted format. You may also configure the secondary email server settings just in case you have trouble sending emails through the primary server. Do a test to check if the email server configuration is correct. Oh yes, I have received the test email which indicates that the configuration is correct indeed. Now that we have configured the mail server settings successfully, let us go ahead and set up a notification for a performance monitor. I will configure a threshold value for memory utilization monitor from the server, so it triggers an alarm as soon as it violates the configured threshold value. Now, let us create a notification profile and associate with the server. Click Settings, Monitoring, Notifications, and click Add. As shown on the screen, OpManager has many notification types. However, the configuration flow remains the same for all the types. The mail subject and the message can be customized by selecting one or more of the OpManager system-defined variables from the drop-down list. You can save the settings on the screen by clicking Next, wherein the next page allows you to choose the criteria for which the notification has to be triggered. As in our example, I have to select threshold rule is violated. Click Next and select the devices either manually or by business view groups or based on category. I will go by selecting category server so that this rule is applied to all servers. Click Next and schedule this profile either all the time or by manually selecting a time period. Configure the time delay if you want the notification profile to be triggered after some time. You may also select the Do Not Trigger if Alarm is Acknowledged checkbox so that you don't receive a notification for the alarms that have been already acknowledged. Configure the Recurring Trigger if you want the notification profile to trigger at regular interval till the alarm is clear. Click Next, do a quick check on the configurations done so far, provide a profile name and click Save. With this, we have successfully configured the email notification. Let us now go ahead and check the server. Yes, an alarm is triggered for the memory utilization monitor, and also an email notification is received successfully. Thank you. Please subscribe to OpManager Tech videos for more help.